ULTIMEA Poseidon D70 7.1 surround sound system. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside you'll find the user manual, soundbar for surround speakers, and one subwoofer and some accessories. We provide you with all the cables, no need to buy them separately, you can check your accessories with the picture. This time we have upgraded the remote control. As the remote control shows, you can make more adjustments to the sound. Let's start connecting the soundbar. First, let's assemble the two front surround speakers to soundbar. Use the front stereo RCA to RCA cables to connect the soundbar and surround speakers. Please pay attention to match the same color interfaces on the surround speakers with the corresponding ones on the soundbar, and place the surround speakers accordingly. Then, let's assemble the two rear surround speakers to subwoofer. First plug in the subwoofer's power cable, and use the rear stereo RCA to RCA cables to connect the subwoofer and surround speakers. Please pay attention to match the same color interfaces on the surround speakers with the corresponding ones on the subwoofer, and place the surround speakers accordingly. You can choose to place the surround speakers on a desktop, hang it on the wall or place it using a stand, depending on your environment. Our accessories are supplied with wall mounting kits such as screws, but stands are not included. For a better listening experience, the rear surround speaker should be placed at or near ear level. Please note, the subwoofer has been paired with the soundbar by factory. If there is no sound coming from the subwoofer, you need to repair the soundbar with the subwoofer. The method for repair will be explained later in this video. Alright, it's time to connect to your TV. There are 7 ports on the soundbar. There are 4 ways to connect your TV. Firstly, connect to your TV via ARC output. Find the ARC HDMI cable. ARC or EARC is preferred if your TV has an ARC or EARC output. Other HDMI ports of the TV are not supported. Plug into the HDMI port on the soundbar. Find the power adapter and connecting to power. Press the ARC button on the remote control and check the LED shows ARC on the soundbar. Select ARC mode in your TV settings. There is also an interesting and useful CEC function when using ARC connections. The TV's remote control can control the soundbar and TV simultaneously, turning them on or off and adjusting the volume. Let's try it out. Try controlling your TV and soundbar with the TV remote. Turn on the soundbar and TV at the same time with the TV remote control. Then, try the volume adjustment. Easy and fast, right? Finally, close with one click. Secondly, we show the optical connection. Find the digital optical cable. Remove the protective cap of the cable. Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Then remove the other protective cap of the cable. Align the port shape and insert into the soundbar. And connect the power cord. Press the opt button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. Select optical mode in your TV settings. Also, you can connect your TV with AUX cable. Find the stereo 3.5mm to RCA audio cable. Insert the other AUX end into your TV's audio out port. Insert the soundbar power cord and 3.5mm AUX end into soundbar, and connect the power cord. Press the AUX button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. Prefer wireless? Here, Bluetooth connection. You can connect the soundbar to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Press the BT button on the remote control and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. The soundbar will mention. Then turn on your phone's Bluetooth search and connect with device Poseidon D70. When you hear the Bluetooth connection is successful. Also, if your TV supports Bluetooth output, you can connect the soundbar wirelessly. Press the BT button on the remote control, and check the LED shows as the picture on the soundbar. The soundbar will mention. Turn on the TV's Bluetooth in Settings, Search and Connect. When you hear the Bluetooth connection is successful. Sometimes you have followed the steps to connect, but there is no sound. Don't worry. First check your subwoofer link. If it not paired, you can repair it. Step 1. Press and hold the Sub Pair button on the remote control for 3 seconds. The LED will show sub flashing. Step 2. Press and hold the On/Off button on subwoofer for 5 seconds. The white LED will be fast flashing. The white LED will be always on when the subwoofer is paired successfully. Also, it may about TV PCM settings. Please check the TV PCM, normally is below, Settings, Sound, Digital Audio Format, AUD or PCM. If you are not sure about your TV settings, please check our official guide or contact us.